When receiving your Design4me case, there are a couple of ways on how you can export the files. First, you can preview the files over here. It is just a picture, but it gives you an overview on how the design looks like. If you're satisfied with the design itself, you can simply go to Export, select the 3D design that you sent from the Design4me. In this case, is the latest version. Simply by tap in here and then open. Now the files are being downloaded, and over here you can still preview the Smile design in 3D. It's sort of like a 3D simulation in here. You cannot edit, but you can visualize it. And then next, the software will ask if you want to export all project files, which means that you will export not only the mockup that you sent from Design4me, but also the patient's initial picture, the initial STL, and all the other files included into your SmileFy patient management file. Or you can simply select by the Select Files button, then Digital Models, and Mockup. Over here, you can tap on Motivational Mockup and hit Export. You don't have to export as a zip file, you can simply do it as a folder. And here you have to select where you want to export. You can export it straight to your SmileFy drive, or send it straight to your lab email or your own email, for example. After sending the email to your receiver, which could be yourself or your dental lab, you will be receiving the print-ready dental model. Now, if you do want to make some changes to your 3D design, simply tap on the 3D Smile design icon. All the files will be uploaded into your software. Then you will be able to make any changes, any adjustments that you find important in your 3D design. You can go into our YouTube channel to search for all the tips on how to 3D design. And then to export, simply tap over here on the top left corner, select Mockup and Shells, and then CAD Preset, which is right over here, and then export your dental mockup. After finalizing your own edits, the software will now generate the model to be exported, and then over here you can send to your 3D printer or export it as a folder to your own iPad or your iCloud or Drive. All right. So here, for example, I'm going to save it on my iPad. I hit save. Now, if I exit SmileFy, I will go to Files, which is an app that comes with your iPad. And then over here, I am able to find my model. Okay, so it's right over here. All I have to do is to tap Select, so I can select that model, and then share the file via email, Google Drive, or any other way.